Once upon a time, in a small town called Valueton, there lived a young and curious individual named Emma. Emma had always been fascinated by the world of investing and desired to become a successful investor herself. She spent countless hours reading books and studying various investment strategies, but she longed for guidance from a seasoned expert. One day, while browsing through a dusty old bookstore, Emma stumbled upon a worn-out copy of The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Intrigued by the title, she purchased the book and delved into its pages, hungry for knowledge. As Emma immersed herself in the wisdom of Graham's words, she discovered a world of insightful advice on how to navigate the complex realm of investing. The book emphasized the importance of diligent research and thorough analysis when selecting stocks, encouraging her to focus on companies with solid fundamentals and a margin of safety. Motivated by Graham's teachings, Emma decided to put her newfound knowledge into practice. She diligently researched different industries and companies, analyzing financial statements, market trends, and competitive landscapes. She sought out undervalued stocks, aiming to invest in companies with strong long-term potential. Emma faced many challenges along her investment journey. The market was unpredictable, with fluctuating stock prices and occasional market downturns. However, armed with the principles she learned from The Intelligent Investor, Emma remained steadfast and undeterred. She understood that investing was a long-term commitment, requiring patience and discipline. She embraced the concept of Mr. Market, a metaphorical character representing the emotional swings of the stock market. Instead of succumbing to market hysteria, Emma used it as an opportunity to find bargains and make rational decisions. Over time, Emma's dedication and intelligent investing strategies started to bear fruit. Her portfolio grew steadily, and she managed to navigate market turbulence with confidence. She remained focused on the long-term value of her investments, ignoring short-term market fluctuations. Word of Emma's success began to spread within the investment community. People admired her disciplined approach and the consistent results she achieved. Emma soon found herself being approached by others seeking her advice and guidance on investing. Inspired by the impact she had made, Emma decided to share her knowledge and experiences with others. She started conducting investment workshops and mentoring aspiring investors, emphasizing the principles she had learned from The Intelligent Investor. Emma wanted to empower others to make informed investment decisions and avoid common pitfalls. As years went by, Emma's reputation as an intelligent investor continued to grow. She was celebrated for her ability to identify opportunities and make wise investment choices. She had successfully applied the timeless principles taught by Benjamin Graham in The Intelligent Investor, and had become a beacon of inspiration for countless individuals pursuing financial independence through intelligent investing. And so, the story of Emma highlights the transformative power of knowledge and the wisdom shared in The Intelligent Investor. Through perseverance, discipline, and a deep understanding of value investing, Emma had unlocked the path to financial success and, in turn, had become a guiding light for others on their own investment journeys.